In the outer reaches of our solar system, far beyond the warmth of the sun, there drifts a frozen blue world cloaked in mystery. Uranus, the seventh planet, is a realm of icy clouds, tilted horizons, and weather patterns unlike any other planet we know. Its pale appearance once led astronomers to believe it was calm, a quiet sphere in the cold. But hidden deep within that cold atmosphere are storms of immense scale, storms that rival Neptune's tempests and even the titanic hurricanes of Jupiter. Among these enigmatic tempests is a feature that has captivated scientists and ignited curiosity since the moment it was discovered: the Great Dark Spot. A massive, shadowy vortex swirling across Uranus's atmosphere. It flickers in and out of existence, appearing suddenly, disappearing without warning, and challenging everything we thought we understood about weather on the ice giants. Tonight, we journey into the depths of those storms, unraveling the secrets concealed within Uranus's Great Dark Spot. This is a story of hidden forces, violent winds, and a world whose mysteries deepen the further we explore. Uranus is a planet unlike any other. Tilted more than 90 degrees on its side, it rolls around the sun like a spinning ball, its poles taking turns facing the light for decades at a time. This tilt shapes its strange seasons, each lasting 21 years, bathed in extreme contrasts of sunlight and darkness. Beneath its calm blue haze lies an atmosphere composed mostly of hydrogen, helium, and methane. The methane absorbs red light, giving Uranus its distinctive turquoise color. For decades, scientists believed this atmosphere was serene, almost uneventful, especially compared to the violent storms of Jupiter and Saturn. The Voyager 2 spacecraft saw only faint cloud features when it passed by in 1986, suggesting a quiet, cold, dormant world. But as newer telescopes began observing Uranus, a very different story emerged. Under the right lighting, at the right moments in its long seasonal cycle, Uranus reveals itself to be a world of powerful winds, complex weather systems, and massive storm formations that defy expectations. And among these ever-changing features, one stands out: the Great Dark Spot. The first Great Dark Spot discovered on Uranus appeared in 2006, detected by the Hubble Space Telescope. Unlike Jupiter's Great Red Spot, which has persisted for centuries, Uranus's dark spots are ephemeral, appearing and vanishing over periods of months or years. These massive vortices can reach thousands of kilometers across, forming deep within the planet's atmosphere and punching through layers of icy clouds. When a dark spot forms, it is usually accompanied by bright, high-altitude clouds made of methane ice crystals. These clouds appear as brilliant, reflective streaks and patches, swirling around the dark core like storm bands around a hurricane's eye. The contrast is stunning: a bright, icy crown encircling a shadowy void. What causes these dark spots to emerge? What do they reveal about the hidden depths of Uranus's atmosphere? And why do they seem to flicker into existence like brief, cosmic storms? Scientists have been searching for the answers ever since that first dark vortex appeared. A dark spot is not a shadow. It isn't a hole. It isn't caused by turbulence on the surface, because Uranus has no solid surface at all. Instead, these features are massive atmospheric vortices, similar to hurricanes or cyclones on Earth, but far larger and far more powerful. They are regions where warmer gases rise from deep within the planet, swirling upward into the upper atmosphere. As gases rise, they create low-pressure zones that take on the appearance of dark patches against the lighter methane clouds. These storms may originate hundreds or thousands of kilometers below the visible layers, stirred by internal heat sources we still do not fully understand. The dark coloration may result from winds dragging darker material upward from deeper layers. Another possibility is that the dark spot represents a window into a deeper, murkier layer of the atmosphere, one where methane concentrations and scattering properties differ dramatically from the layers above. Classifying these storms requires sophisticated modeling. The winds around the vortices can reach hundreds of kilometers per hour, with atmospheric bands stretching out like ripples on a pond. Every measurement, every glimpse into these storm systems helps piece together a story hidden beneath Uranus's quiet appearance. The Great Dark Spot is more than a surface feature. It's a clue about the inner workings of Uranus. Beneath the cloud layers lies a vast mantle of icy material. Water, ammonia, methane, and exotic compounds compressed into bizarre states of matter. These layers might be convecting, slowly churning like a giant planetary cauldron. Storms like the Great Dark Spot may form when internal heat escapes through cracks or pathways invisible from above. For decades, scientists assumed Uranus lacked significant internal heat because it emits very little infrared radiation compared to Neptune, despite their similar compositions. But the presence of large, energetic storms challenges that assumption. Perhaps Uranus has pockets of heat trapped deep inside. Maybe its long seasonal shifts awaken dormant atmospheric processes. Or perhaps its tilted axis churns the atmosphere in unpredictable ways, allowing storms to surge upward only during specific phases of its orbit. With every dark storm that appears, we inch closer to understanding a planet whose interior remains one of the biggest mysteries of the solar system. Unlike the ancient storms on Jupiter, Uranus's dark spots behave like ghostly phenomena. They emerge rapidly, evolve over weeks or months, then fade without warning. Some shrink, others migrate across atmospheric bands. Some split apart, and sometimes a new dark spot appears just as another vanishes. Why do these storms come and go? One theory suggests that Uranus's atmospheric layers are thin and unstable. A vortex formed in one region may not remain coherent as it rises. Another possibility is that seasonal sunlight plays a role, waking storms at specific times during Uranus's long orbit. Another mystery lies in the energy source. If internal heat is weak, how can such massive storms form at all? The answer may lie in subtle forces, chemical changes, atmospheric mixing, or slow convection that builds up energy over decades only to release it suddenly in a single, powerful storm. Each disappearance leaves scientists with more questions than answers, driving renewed efforts to observe Uranus more frequently and capture these elusive features before they fade. For all its mysteries, Uranus has been visited only once, briefly, by Voyager 2 in 1986. Since then, telescopes on Earth and in orbit have carried the weight of observation. But a single spacecraft flyby is not enough to unravel a world as complex as Uranus. Scientists now advocate for a dedicated mission to the ice giant, a flagship orbiter equipped with advanced cameras, spectrometers, and probes capable of descending into the atmosphere itself. Such a mission could watch storms like the Great Dark Spot form in real time, measure their depths, and analyze the chemistry within them. It could reveal the structure of Uranus's interior, uncover the origin of its tilted axis, and investigate whether hidden oceans lie beneath its icy mantle. And it could answer once and for all what drives the mysterious storms that appear and vanish like ghosts across its surface. A Uranus orbiter may one day show us the Great Dark Spot not as a fleeting image, but as a dynamic, living feature that helps define the character of this strange and beautiful world. The Great Dark Spot is more than a storm, it's an invitation, a reminder that even in the deep, cold outskirts of the solar system, powerful forces shape the worlds we're only beginning to understand. Beneath Uranus's pale blue exterior lies a realm of complexity, energy, and motion, a world that defies its quiet appearance and challenges our assumptions. Every new storm reveals another piece of the puzzle, and though the Great Dark Spot may fade, its legacy endures in the questions it raises. What drives Uranus's hidden heat? What secrets lie beneath its clouds? And how many more storms remain to be discovered?